About to get on my bike. Shut off for now. And we're off. See the Wizard, wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because I said we was. Whoa! Sign off for now until we get off the highway. Down by the back roads, just off the highway. Jaron should be coming off that little trail right there pretty soon. Well, I'm far. Well, there I go. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Here I come up onto the bridge. And I'm past the bridge. Too bumpy, son of. I'm gonna get you, little boy. Rawr.
I'm falling down a hill. Faster.
Okay, fine.
Is it straight? Is it straight?
No.
Does it look straight or is it all wiggly?
It's all wiggly.
Stop. This road right here. I'm Jaron Smith, along with film crew Abe Smith. We're going to be taking a little trail, a nature trail, and we're going to be showing you some things we find on the way. So have fun with our little walk.
On this side we have a dead deer, skinned and all. Isn't it beautiful? Come look at his hollow innards.
This is our first thing we've seen along the trip.
It's enough to gag it. On this side we have its skin worth millions of dollars, but nobody has the guts to touch it because it's so stinky.
Ooh, it's a canvas. I had this irresistible urge to paint on it. Some legs to it. This is the Jeffrey Dahmer's fan club. Little paw print. See, it's blood and flies crawling out. Down the trail that made me not want to go. What is that thing, Abe? I can't make...
Here, hold my bike for a second.
Abe's gonna go down and see what it is. I would go down this trail, but I don't want to
Look, there's its
see what
heart.
it is. There's its heart.
It's its innards.
Where is its heart? I'm not... We just located its balls, or it could be its kidney, we don't know. But we're not going to go down that trail because the deer's behind. Wait, we now leave the deers behind as we finish, as we start our quest. We'll be going down this road. Let's go. Sign off. Abe's going to go down this road. It follows right along these trees and down around that corner, and then he'll go behind the woods, and then he's gonna go see some dead chickens. Let's follow him down there as far as we can get. And he goes around. Now we'll be turning in live when he gets back. Until then, we'll take our own little nature trail. Here is the mighty Long Tom River, many miles wide, many feet deep. It stretches all the way over to our property, which is the land you see on the other side, which is flooded right at this moment. Whoa! And this is it. Now we're going to be following a trail somewhere. Oh wait, here Abe comes. I'll be right back. He's just came around from that corner. Okay, let's go see. We won't follow that trail I said I was going to do. Okay, I'm going to go down there. I'll see you when we get down to that corner right there.
Jaron is on the bike leading to the dead carcasses. We can just wait. Is it the work of Jeffrey? Nobody knows. Sign off. A bike may be a victim's, may not be. Be back. 2 and 2. That's my bike. Well, 2 and 2.
Enter the egg zone. Please follow me. Come on. Here, puppy.
The eggs of Jeffrey Dahmer.
I can't believe we've even got this close and it doesn't smell yet.
Look at all this. Jeez. 2 and 2. Say it again.
Boy, am I in the mood for swimming. I feel like some hot chocolate. feel like some milk. Ew.
Ooh, there's bees.
Those are horse flies.
There's some carcasses of dead chickens.
Ew, you're gross. This is our tour of the nature's
Hey, there's an egg that's not cracked.
worst offering.
See it? It's right there. 2 and 2. Chicken.
I want to eat
Could it be when Jeffrey Dahmer kicked it and it fell out of his egg? But whatever. Nobody knows. Let's see if it's cracked. Luckily, the poor victim escaped. What a lucky chicken.
Quit it!
One of the victims that have escaped from Jeffrey Dahmer. Here he comes. No, wait, that's my brother. Looks like Jeffrey Dahmer already got a hold of him and mutilated his face.
Come on, we have to make it to the next grossest scene
Okay.
in nature.
2 and 2.
Boy, right around this corner is where the dead dog is. I can definitely tell there's signs of it. Phew-wee!
We shall go. Jeffrey Dahmer's dog, he had the decency to mutilize it. Be surprised if he didn't eat its heart. 2 and 2. It's just grotesque. Right here is where my faithful companion, Jaron Smith, standing in when I was taping him. Stenches to a grotesque. There he goes. Can you smell it? I can. 2 and 2. You see Jaron in the distance, standing by the grotesque mutilated dog. We'll be there in a minute. Seconds. No seconds. 2 and 2. Wait, don't say anything yet. This segment is called Oh Where Has My Little Dog Gone? There's Jaron standing by the carcass. 2 and 2.
His little Fifi gone. Your Fifi is laying right there. Yes, as sick as it may seem. Oh, look at that little fly. Yes, as sick as it may seem.
2 and
This
2.
is the dog. This dog was electrocuted. And was our good friend Joe Crosby's. Rough, goodbye, doggy. The end of this.
Dog.
Want me to take
Do you recognize it?
into the forest by myself? It was about this time of day, too. How come I'm not scared when I go out in the woods like this? Come on, I was trying to look for deer. Come back. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, its eyes are gone. The bird picked its eyes out. Okay, Abe, that's enough.
Chris Miller, if you ever see this
Step on it,
video,
maybe some gas will come out of it.
you'll be able to picture it. Hey, Chris.
Ooh, don't! Oh, you're gross! Ooh,
Ta-ta. King of the mountain.
kidding. We have just entered the woods, and we'll be going farther into the woods that are not like this type of tree. We've just spotted some deer tracks, and we'll be showing you more as the story unfolds. Have fun. Thanks. Help! Ah! Uh-oh, I'm really stuck, Abe. Get me off!
Sheer torture.
I can't let
Can't
go.
you?
Nature, nature. Very good mushrooms found all along this trail. We'll be coming just right out of here this way. And we've just came through half of the forest. And I've got a couple cobwebs on my face, but I'm gonna make it.
Okay, start.
Keep me walking.
Okay, action.
Come along.
Wait up.
More? I'm lost.
There you go.
Hello? Anybody home?
2 and 2. And action.
This is the trail leading out. We've just gone through this forest behind us. Oh, and we're going to be going that way. Now, let us go on.
Okay.
Hi. We're going to be going through this trail. And you see this piece of tape right here? I put this here a couple years ago when I took a trail through here. It was pretty rough, and it will probably be rougher because of a lot of stuff that's grown since then. But deers use it for their natural trail. So we're going to be going through here, and we will be happy to tell you that we'll be showing you parts of the scene as the story unfolds. Thank you.
Jaron. Do and do.
Hello, this is the beauty part of our segment. Hello, this is the beauty part of our segment. I probably scared away all the deer, but I don't care. This is what we came for. This is the beautiful, lush green forest that the deers lay on. It's a very nice park. Don't be scared if we show you any graphic scenes. But we're going to continue on now. Thank you. Okay.
Look at that.
Hello, we've just gotten a little bit farther. Not very much farther. We're trying to find the tape, the second tape, and we are having difficulties since many years of erosion, wind, and torment to these miniature trees. We'll keep you posted when we get farther. Thank you.
Hey. 2 and 2. We'll be back.
They've got me! Abe, help! Oh my gosh, it's really stuck.
Look at the fear on his face.
I think you should get me a new coat, Dad, if you're watching.
Look at that goat. We'll tape his back, which has been mutilated too.
Oh my.
Wait, turn. Let me see. Turn around.
Are we ready?
2 and 2. Puddle. We're gonna have to ford it. Oh, sick. 2 and 2.
2 and 2. Gotcha.
Just to find a way around it. About 2 inches wide. He made it. Now it's my turn. 2 and 2. Across the 20 feet gorge. But next time I shan't be so lucky. 2 and 2. Whoa! I thought I heard something. Did I? Or was it my imagination? 2 and 2. Boy is super stupid. Something. Was it my imagination? Ah! Jeffrey Dahmer! Nope, just Jaron, but just as ugly. Meep meep. La da da la da da.
All the horse poop. Ah, my shoe is all wet. Oh no.
Can we get a close up of a shoe?
Cut. Don't go beep beep. Oh no, what am I gonna wear to school tomorrow? Ladies and gents, the shoe. It's gonna stink. I'm not wearing it tomorrow. Do you know when you get a shoe wet, your foot, it really stinks? It really does.
Okay, Russ Croson.
It really does.
2 and 2.
2 and 2.
Jaron gets up in his bag.
Are you ready? Abe.
What?
I'm cool. I'm moving. Give me my hand.
Oh, I lost him. Too blurry. 2 and 2.
2 and 2.
Jaron, not knowing he's on tape. This is Jaron, not knowing he's on tape. Jaron, are you a geek? You must be. You're weird. Two and 2. I got that on tape. 2 and 2. The dog. Its carcass in the midst. We shall zoom in on it.
Bird, up in the air.
Where? Wow. Birds. Flying like free. Makes you misty-eyed, doesn't it? 2 and 2. What a tangled web we weave. Sorry, Fluffy. Another carcass. 2 and 2.
Chicken massacre.
Could it be the works of Jeffrey Dahmer? Or Kitty Dahmer? 2 and 2.
2 and 2.
And cut.
And cut.
Carcass that reeks with Polo cologne. It's enough to gag. I can hardly breathe, folks. Here it is. It's a dead sheep, folks.
You're gross, Abe.
Just look at it.
Really dead.
How disgusting.
What's wrong with it? Does it have maggots on it?
2 and 2. It's a very big sheep, folks. I can't breathe.
Can we get out that way?
Yes. Folks, we're gonna have to go. It's too disgusting.
Will you bring the bike through?
This will probably be our last carcass. It's certainly our best.
Close up because I want to see what it looks like. I'm not going back there. Go stick it up in its face.
This is the face of the carcass.
Get all of it. You go around that way and I'll get to
Look at its eye glaring at me. Little extra bonus for you who haven't seen this. 2 and 2. Oh. Uh-oh. I smell a skunk. 2 and 2. There comes Jaron ripping around the corner. Kinda reminds me of the Wicked Witch of the West, doesn't it, you? Here he comes. I'll get you, my pretty Aunt Toto. 2 and 2.
live. The death is all around us. Thank you. This is the end of our show, Nature, the Real Thing. This has been brought to you by Jaron and Abe Smith, hoping you will smell the best of the worst. Until next time.
Quick, I smell a carcass. Let's go!
watching OPB. Until tomorrow, beep!